Today, we will practice useful English at beautiful Zao Okama.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying mountains and travel English together.
We will see a crater lake, mountain views, a shrine, local food, and a quiet inn.
Zao Okama is famous for its emerald color and mysterious atmosphere.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English at a beautiful crater lake in Tohoku. We finally arrived near Mount Zao.
I was really looking forward to seeing Okama.
The mountain air already feels cool.
How do I say 楽しみにしていた in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it. Perfect.
That is a very useful phrase for travel.
The mountains look wide and powerful.
Yes, the scenery already feels different from the city.
I feel excited to go higher.
Let's head toward the viewpoint.
Great. I want to see the crater lake soon. This mountain road has amazing views.
Yes, we can see the mountains spreading far away.
The air is getting cooler as we go up.
How do I say 景色が広がる in English?
You can say, the view opens up.
The view opens up.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
The road feels like a trip into the sky.
I can see why people enjoy this drive.
Let's enjoy the scenery safely.
Good idea. The curves are gentle, but we should be careful.
We are getting closer to Okama. We reached the mountain viewpoint.
The wind is stronger than I expected.
How do I say 風が強い in English?
You can say, the wind is strong.
The wind is strong.
Great. That is useful in mountain areas.
The sky looks very close from here.
And the clouds are moving quickly.
The atmosphere feels wild and beautiful.
I want to take a deep breath here.
Let's walk slowly toward the crater view.
Yes, I am getting excited. There it is. That is Zao Okama.
It looks even more beautiful than I imagined.
How do I say 飛行湖が美しい in English?
You can say the crater lake is beautiful.
The crater lake is beautiful.
Perfect. That phrase fits this place very well.
The emerald color is amazing.
Yes, it looks mysterious against the rough crater walls.
This view is unforgettable.
I want to take a photo from here.
Good idea. This is the highlight of Zao.
Let's enjoy it quietly for a moment. The color of the lake looks different now.
Yes, the sunlight changes the color.
How do I say 色が変わる in English?
You can say, the color changes.
The color changes.
Excellent. That is simple and useful.
Sometimes it looks green, and sometimes it looks blue.
That is why it feels so magical.
I could look at this lake for a long time.
Me too. It changes every few minutes.
Nature is amazing.
Yes, this is a special place. Let's walk a little near the summit.
Good idea. The path looks open and bright.
How do I say 少し歩きたい in English?
You can say, I want to walk a little.
I want to walk a little.
Good. That is useful when traveling.
The mountain view is wide from here.
Yes, we can see far into the distance.
The wind makes everything feel alive.
Let's be careful near the edge.
Of course, safety comes first.
This short walk feels refreshing. This small shrine feels very sacred.
Yes, it stands quietly near the mountaintop.
How do I say shinsei na fuiki in English?
You can say a sacred atmosphere.
A sacred atmosphere.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
The shrine and the mountains feel connected.
Yes, it makes the visit feel meaningful.
I want to pray quietly here.
That sounds nice.
This place has a peaceful energy.
I feel calm here. I am getting hungry after walking in the wind.
Me too. Let's try some local food.
This restaurant near the mountain looks nice.
What do you recommend here?
That is a very useful phrase.
How do I say nani ga osusume desu ka in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use it at any restaurant.
I might try soba, imoni, or a local dessert.
All of them sound perfect after the mountain view.
Travel feels even better with good food. The light is getting softer now.
The evening view of the mountains is beautiful.
Everything feels calmer now.
The sky and mountains have gentle colors.
I want to come back again.
How do I say mata kitai in English?
You can say, I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Perfect. That is a great travel phrase.
Zao Okama left a strong impression on me.
Me too. It was powerful and beautiful.
This has been a wonderful day. Today was full of beautiful mountain scenery.
Yes, the crater lake was especially memorable.
I loved the emerald color of Okama.
Me too. The changing colors were magical.
The wind at the viewpoint was strong but refreshing.
And the small shrine felt peaceful.
I learned a lot of useful English today.
Yes, and the scenery helped us remember the phrases.
Tohoku has so many wonderful places.
I would love to explore more of it someday.
This trip made me feel refreshed.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Sure, I'm ready.
I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
The wind is strong.
The wind is strong.
The crater lake is beautiful.
The crater lake is beautiful.
The color changes.
The color changes.
I want to walk a little.
I want to walk a little.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Thank you for joining our Zao Okama English lesson.
We practiced useful travel English at a mystical crater lake.
Zao gave us emerald water, mountain wind, and unforgettable views.
I hope this lesson made you want to visit it too.
Please repeat the phrases and use them on your next trip.
Slow practice will help your English grow naturally.
Let's keep enjoying English little by little.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.